Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Ozone Privacy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about reinforcement learning demo video. I already explained about machine learning and types of machine learning in detail with the demo video. I give the links in the description. Do check it. In short, reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make a decision by interacting with an environment to achieve a goals. This idea is based on learning from experience, similarly how humans or animals learn through trials and errors. The main concept is the agent takes an action in an environment, receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. At first, we are going to start with importing some required libraries such as NumPy, Random, Matplotlib library. NumPy is used for creating and managing numerical arrays. Random is used for choosing random action. And Matplotlib library is used to visualize the grid and agent's path. After importing the library, we create a small grid environment. The agent starts at the top left corner and must reach the bottom right corner. It can move up, down, left or right. In this, the environment is 5 to 5 grid. The agent starts at the top left corner, so 0 cross 0. The goal is to reach the bottom right corner, so 4 cross 4. The agent can move in 4 directions, up, down, left or right. Here we create queue table filled with the zeros. Each cell represents a grid portion and each action at the portion. As the agent learns, this value will increase or decrease based on rewards. A queue table stores the knowledge of the agent. It's a 3D dimension array with grid size cross grid size for all possible positions. Lens action is for all possible actions. Initially, all the queue values are 0 because the agent knows nothing. Next, we define our learning parameters. Alpha is the learning rate. Gamma controls how much future rewards matter. Epsilon decides how often the agent explores random moves, and episodes define how many training rounds the agent goes through. Reward function gives the positive point for reaching the goal, a negative point for each move. This way, the agent is motivated to reach the goal as soon as possible. The agent gets plus 10 rewards when it reaches the goal. It gets -1 for every other move. The -1 encourages it to find the shortest path. The move function defines how the agent moves inside the grid. It also prevents the agent from leaving the grid. For example, if it is already on the top edge, it can't move further up. Here the most important part, the learning loop. For each training episode, the agent starts at the top left corner and moves until it reaches the goal. Sometimes it explores random moves to learn more, other times it uses what it already knows. After each step, it updates its Q value using Q learning formula, combining immediate reward and expected future rewards. Over hundreds of episodes, it learned the optimal path. Now, the learning is completed. After training, we test what the agent learned. We start again at the top left, but this time we always choose the action with the highest Q value. The resulting path shows how the agent moves intelligently to reach the goal. Finally, we plot the path on the grid. We can see that the agent learned to reach the goal efficiently. That's the power of reinforcement learning. The path taken by the agent and the goal is highlighted. In this demo video, we saw how a reinforcement learning agent learns by the trial and error. It starts with zero knowledge, takes some random action, receives feedback through rewards and penalties, updates its Q value. Over the time, it learns the best way to reach the goal. I hope this video is useful for you. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Share this to your friends. If you have any queries, comment below. Thank you.